Alright, so I'm going to put the deck lid on the VW. Here you can see I've got the post. It's kind of loose here because I still need to adjust it left and right, up and down. This is where the spring goes in. You'll see a little slot right there. And the way that that's oriented, when you see the spring once it's installed, it will look like this. So that's how it will be oriented when you put it in place. The trick with the spring is that instead of wrangling with it, what you do is you put one bolt in on one side, and then you want to tip the lid up a little bit so that it comes out of this slot, and then you'll be able to just set the spring right in place. So let me show you how that works. All right, so first things first, you want to get this in the first hole. You see there's a series of holes here, but you want to get it in the first hole. And I use a pair of channel locks. I imagine they're probably some special tool, but a pair of channel locks, you can just grab it, squeeze it, and you'll get it to land back in the hole. So you've got both of them installed. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lay this in place, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so step one is to put one screw on one end. So I'm going to put one screw over here so we can get a good pivot. Don't need to tighten it up, just it needs to be able to move. And then you should be able just to slide this over and then engage the spring. There we go, just like that. And then you just wrangle that over and off you go. Bob's your uncle. Let's get one more screw in there. Alright, so that's how you load the spring. Now all you just have to do is make adjustments with all the other connections and get it so that it matches up with your rubber seals and whatnot. But that is how you install the spring. All done.